Today is the day 2 of learning Arabic. If you haven't watched part 1, then you should first watch that. Okay, let's start today's lesson. We will learn all three in depth. So I'm gonna start with ism. In order to learn ism, we have to go through 4 lessons. First, status. Second, number. Third, gender. Fourth, type. You can think of these like chapters. Let's read this. A teacher entered the classroom. A student was sleeping soundly. The teacher threw a pencil. The teacher's student woke up suddenly. So in the first sentence, A is a verb, teacher is an ism, entered is a fi'l because it happened in the past, the is a verb and classroom is an ism. So now what is the fi'l again? It's entered. Whenever you have a fi'l, something happens. Now the question is, who did it? Your first step is gonna be find the fi'l, and then it's gonna be find who did it. So in the first case, entered is the fi'l and teacher is the doer. In the second, sleeping is the fi'l, and who did it? Did his do it? Did soundly do it? Student did it. Third one, threw is fi'l and teacher is the one who threw, so teacher is the doer. Fourth one, woke up is the fi'l and student is the one who woke up, not the teacher. It's only student who woke up, so student is the doer. Did you notice that all the doers are green in the example? So the ism, that's a doer. I'm gonna teach you a new word. Ism that's a doer is rafa. Instead of saying the teacher is the doer, I'm gonna say the teacher is rafa. And if I say why is the teacher rafa? Because he is the doer. Is the classroom rafa? No, because it didn't do the work of entering. In the second sentence, who is rafa? A student. Only an ism can be rafa. You cannot say sleeping is rafa. So first we find the fi'l and then the one who did it, and whoever did this is status will be rafa. In the third sentence, who did the act of woke up? Student. So student is rafa. It's not true that the first word you come across will always be rafa. It would be later on too. So whoever did it, it is called rafa. Let me give you some more examples. Allah created the world. Here the fi'l is created, and whoever did this is rafa. So the action of creation, who did this? Allah. So the word Allah is rafa here.